Okay, here is the city of Pompeii and Mount Vesuvius with a happy guy right there. There's our happy guy. And that's our freak guy.
Hey, stop.
Alright,
Stop being
guys. Alright,
Oh, this is gonna be a
hold this. No, we gotta put this in first.
I know. I'm fat.
He's got the fat.
I have the fat.
Okay.
You guys. Kill it.
Okay, cool.
And it was red. I thought maybe it might mess it up because of the food stuff.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Oh, it's kept going. It's not stopping.
Okay, that's cool.
Getting rid of that's going to be messy.
One more, put in more, come on.
More, put in more vinegar, because the more vinegar you have, the more it's gonna go.
Go.
Everybody's dying.
House.
Turn it.
Beautiful.
There he goes.
Sure, right on the
Put a
garbage.
little more, put more.
Just don't
That's
think
like
until
the
it's
strongest smell.
Dump it in.
Oh yeah, just put more in.
Yeah.
You guys just totally wrecked the garbage
There you
can.
No, whatever. Still going.
Mine's
Charlie's getting
And then the baby people.
Need some more.
Oh, I did.
No, I think it's pretty much out of vinegar.
Ah! It's strong.
Baking soda is baking soda.
That just smells.
That just smells like vinegar and
No,
baking
this actually
soda.
makes stuff smell good.
No, that does. This